What's going on, everybody? Adam Neely with Build, Guild, and Refine TV coming back at you with another episode. Alright, so we just picked up another project. This will be our winter project. Where are you going?
I'm going up here, so I'm out of frame.
Alright, one of our guys doesn't like to be on camera, so he runs away. So this is going to be our winter flip. I like to flip houses on the side, obviously. Keep us going. So we picked up a half a twin here in beautiful Pottstown Borough. And we're going to be fixing it up. What do you think, Chatter?
I'm thinking, yeah. Good winter project.
Good winter project. Yeah. Got some extra reinforcements today. Say what's up, guys.
What up, what up?
All right, let's go take a look at this beautiful project. Let's go. So this is the first time that Chatter's seen this place. I'm excited for his reaction. I've picked up some pretty rough places over the years. I would say
This is up there.
This one's definitely up there. Nope. Hold on. Right?
Yeah.
Welcome to Sukasa, right? That's yours, right? Your new home awaits. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Young Buck's doing some pull-ups. Now he's not gonna be able to work. No light. We have no power here because obviously we're just getting started. Today's gonna be our clean-out day.
This would be the kitchen.
Yeah.
Very small.
Dilapidated.
Washer slash laundry room slash kitchen.
This will be a multi-purpose room, wouldn't you say?
Yeah. Yeah, it should be
Good enough room.
Absolutely.
Well, you got a blender.
Margaritas.
And you got some roller skates.
There we go.
In there.
Oh, snap. Chatter's going roller skating today.
Brick master.
Oh, yeah, man.
Rink master.
Alright,
We got a ruler.
We get the tracks. Put them.
Yeah, that's all coming down.
Yeah.
All right, well, this is the first floor.
It's got a nice big opening here. I like that.
Yeah. No, it actually has. So when you come in, this is your sitting area. You've got a living room here. Let's just show you back where the front door is. So front door, blown out, obviously. Living room.
Trash bag. That's good. Yeah.
Nice, more trash bags, that's good. All right.
Ceiling.
All the ceiling's coming off.
Wallpaper.
Yep.
Get that off there.
So living room, then we're gonna have a little dining area here. This whole ceiling has to be ripped down, taken apart. What do you think? Let's go up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We got some water damage obviously here.
I've seen work.
A little bit. The nice thing though is, believe it or not, the house has good bones. Another bedroom here on the second floor.
Master bedroom.
Yeah, this would be the master. No, dude.
It's not bad. It's got high ceilings.
It's got high ceilings.
Yeah.
These cast iron radiators. Yeah. You know? It's good heat, man. Yeah. So it's a good sized space. So unfortunately, one of the biggest challenges with this house is the only bathroom is in the basement. We're going to turn this room because this is the room that has the staircase going up to the 3rd floor right there. Okay?
And you don't want to make this a bedroom because if whoever's on the 3rd floor always goes through.
You have to go through here. So we'll have one more bedroom upstairs on the 3rd floor and then a sitting room or whatever. And a bonus room. Bedroom bonus room. What'd you find?
A stabbing utensil?
That's an old lollipop.
Somebody killed somebody.
It's like an old, what do you call it, lollipop?
The
big spiral ones.
Yeah, circus.
Yeah, little circus lollipop. Like a lollipop you get at the circus.
Yeah.
Let's follow Chatter up to the 3rd floor.
Little water damage.
Oh, there's an even.
Somebody tried to redo it, laughed it out, and put some sheetrock up.
Yeah.
Little black mold.
So everything's church. Here, just get rid of it.
Everything. Yeah, everything.
Is somebody dry heaving already?
Probably.
There's the other one.
So we got a lot of work ahead of us.
Yeah. A couple days just to clean it.
Yeah, but this is what we do.
Yeah. It'll be gorgeous when it's done.
Yeah, you know it will be. You know it will be.
Yeah.
That's what we're excited about, man. You take the biggest wrecks you could possibly find,
And you make it pretty.
and you make it a pretty. You make it a so nice. You make it a beautiful.
But the right way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we only do things the right way. We don't know how to do things the wrong way because we're both too OCD about it that it drives us both crazy. So that's why Chatter and I get along so well.
Yes.
Boom, here we go. All right. Chatter, you stoked?
Yeah.
Yeah. Winter project. We're calling this the Pottstown House. Pottstown House. Then there's the basement door. Basement door.
Pottstown Palace.
Pottstown Palace. Vinny named it. Vinny, where you at?
Pottstown Palace.
Pottstown Palace. All right, so outside we're gonna get this whole place cleaned up. This is actually a pretty decent space. It's already pretty clear. So at the end, we're gonna just do a little parking area. Probably just be gravel, because I think we can get away with that without any permits. And then back here is just gonna be super clean.
Solid.
It's actually not bad, so that's not too bad. So there's a little bit of flex, but it's really not that bad. So structurally the house is good. Structurally it's sound, the bones are good. It's just all cosmetic, it's dilapidated. Unfortunately, you know, a lot of people get into these situations where they just either A, don't know how to take care of things, or B, can't take care of things. And that's where we come in, either to do it for them on their behalf, or to help them out, get them out of a home, and then we'll take care of it. And we'll flip it. So we're right across the street from a post office, which is good. That's always a good sign. Helps keep the neighborhood a little better, right, Chatter?
Yeah.
Being across from the post office.
Nice new railings, nicely painted porch.
Yeah, and the neighbors are, their properties are nicely taken care of. Look at that, nice and clean. All right, so we got a lot of work ahead of us, but we're excited. This will be a good one.